Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 17th. And as we continue exploring the everyday mindfulness tools in this series, let's dedicate today to a formal practice of metta or loving kindness. And today we're going to do loving kindness toward ourselves. As we all know, our thoughts don't always do what we want them to do. And the body may have discomfort or pain. The practice of loving kindness can help you respond to your own mind with friendliness. It encourages us to meet any experience with a caring and gentle heart. This practice helps us see more clearly in our practice and in our daily life. And in loving kindness practice, you are not really inviting in something from outside yourself. You're just tuning into your innate capacity for care and love, the capacity that is already present in your heart. As the Sufi poet Rumi puts it, your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you've built against it. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Allow your eyes to gently close, or keep them open if you'd like. And from the very beginning, try to bring kindness to the practice. Think of the body with friendliness. Listen to your body and see if maybe you need to move a little to get a bit more comfortable. Do that. And begin by recognizing your own desire to be happy. Don't dig into stories about what might make you happy. Simply find this natural wish for ease and comfort for yourself. Yes, I want to be happy and at ease. And with this intention in mind, begin offering yourself phrases of loving kindness. Say them slowly. Connect with the intention behind the words, even if you don't feel the quality of those words entirely in this moment. You can use the following traditional phrases, or as always, you can choose your own if the traditional ones don't resonate. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. So keep repeating these phrases, or just one of them, or your own. And as you do it, find a rhythm with your phrases. Maybe try offering one phrase with each exhale, or one phrase with every other exhale. And as you say your phrases, use them as the object of your concentration. Rest your awareness fully on the phrases and your deeper intention. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. When the mind wanders, come back to the phrases in your head. Notice any feelings or thoughts of self-judgment or resistance to self-care. Continue repeating your phrases, whatever you choose. Don't worry if you're not really feeling it as you repeat the phrases. Simply note that this is what's happening, and remember to connect with your intention to be happy, to be at ease. On the other hand, if you do get overcome with feelings of love and care at some moments, note that too, and keep connecting with your intention. Remember, this is a practice that helps us cultivate a certain quality. And if the quality of kindness is not present in your meditation session right now, know that you are taking action to create this caring feeling in the future. So it's all good. There's no way to do this practice wrong. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. And now gently let go of this practice. And as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to consider how the practice of loving kindness may be useful in your day-to-day life. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.